Welcome to my channel Living Linux. I am happy to announce that I have a new sponsor, and the new sponsor is Banana Pi. So they have sent me their M2S single board computer, which has the Amlogic A311D system on a chip. It has 4 A73 big cores and 2 A53 efficient cores. So let's start the unboxing. So let's see what we have here. This is the Banana Pi M2S, and it's really small. So I have, let's see, the Racha Rock 5A for a size comparison. So they actually shipped it with what looks like a USB charger. Well, it's a bit hard to read, but probably this single board computer doesn't need that much power. But yeah, it's nice to see that they actually ship it with a charger and a cable, or at least they shipped it to me. So let's see what we have here. So that really was just everything, and let's see, let's give this So as you can see, this is the Racha Rock 5A, which has a similar size as the Raspberry Pi 4. And as you can see, this one is even smaller than a Raspberry Pi 4 or the Racha Rock 5A. Now, you can also see that this one has a different setup with the ports. You can see two Ethernet ports. I think they're both gigabit. There's one USB-A port 2.0, full-size HDMI port, and a USB-C port. And no, they didn't ship it with the A311D. It is actually the S922X. So in that case we only have 4 big A73 cores, so we don't have the efficient A53 cores. And this is the memory module. I think that's the eMMC. So out of the box, I think you can already boot this. GPIO, and there is a micro SD slot, and this looks like a connector for a fan. So yeah, unfortunately there is no case. I will try to do some research to see if I can find a case for it. So for now we just run it as a bare board, and I'm going to pause the video here and see if I can connect it to my tablet that also acts as a external monitor, and see what happens if we try to boot it. Okay, so I connected the HDMI cable. I have a USB-C hub with a keyboard connected. So let's see what happens when we try to boot it up. Well, that's a bit unfortunate. Yeah, so I guess I'll have to investigate a bit more. Perhaps there is nothing installed on the eMMC, so I'll have to see if I need to install something on there, or if I can boot from a micro SD card. So we'll see what happens after this one. So I've written a image to the micro SD card, and going to put it in. It has a spring mechanism. I already did some tests. I'll just boot it up, and I think the USB-C port is only for powering it up. So because I connected a USB-C hub, but the keyboard was not detected, I tried connecting the keyboard directly to the USB-A port, but unfortunately I don't see anything happening. I mean, the lights on my keyboard, they are on, and well, the good part is that it boots, so it does seem to be working. But other than that, so far I haven't been able to get a keyboard working or a mouse working. So I think I'll try to get in touch with Banana Pi to see if I'm doing something wrong or something. Or I will try one of the other images. Perhaps I get some better results with that. Well, the good part is that it does seem to be working, and I'm really happy that my new sponsor, Banana Pi, that they sent me the M2S single board computer. And yeah, I will have to do some homework to see if I can get anything working with a keyboard or a mouse. And I will definitely make another video once I get some more progress with this. So that's all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Well, I did try one more thing, and that I took out the USB-C hub, and I directly use the power cable on the Banana Pi itself, so without the USB-C hub in between. And now I hope you can see this, that the mouse is actually working. So yeah, it does seem to be a little bit picky about how you power it, and or perhaps the USB-C hub was interfering with the USB-A port. I don't know exactly. But yeah, good news, it's fully working. So the only challenge now is that yeah, I prefer to work with a mouse and a keyboard, and I only have one port here. So I'll have to get a keyboard with a trackpad installed to make life a lot easier for me. But yeah, for now I'm really happy that the Banana Pi M2S is fully working. And in my next video I will try to show you a bit on what it actually is able to do performance wise. So I'm going to prepare some stuff, and now it really is the end of the video, and I hope to see you again in my next video.